What if you could upgrade your ordinary car with crazy smart tech, futuristic accessories, and amazing gadgets? These are the kind of gadgets you'll wish you had bought way earlier. Watch the video till the end, so you don't miss any amazing gadget. So, welcome to Clickify, where every gadget finds its ultimate place. So you can buy the gadgets from the links in the description. Let's dive into the gadgets. Come, let's upgrade your car steering wheel with this custom-fit carbon fiber steering wheel cover to enjoy safer, more comfortable driving. This smart Tesla steering wheel cover features a non-slip textured surface, premium PU leather, and a soft flannel liner for better grip and all-season comfort. What makes it stand out is its segmented custom-fit design, allowing quick installation without tools, while fitting perfectly like a glove. Have you ever worried about sitting on a burning hot car seat? This Windshield Sun Shade umbrella makes cabin cooling fast and effortless. Designed for full windshield coverage and maximum heat insulation, it blocks 100% of sunlight to keep your interior ice-cool and protected from sun damage. With its multi-layer reflective fabric, you can reduce dashboard and seat heat, saving energy on every drive. The spring-loaded corner supports ensure a perfect no-gap fit, while the foldable umbrella design allows quick setup and compact storage anywhere. Are you also worried about dead batteries or flat tires during travel? Meet the ultimate roadside lifesaver every driver should keep in their car. This smart air jump starter that can instantly jumpstart 12-volt vehicles with its powerful 3,000 ampere peak output, saving you from roadside emergencies. The special thing about it is its 150 pounds per square inch auto-stop tire inflator for fast and easy inflation. It also works as a power bank for charging devices and includes 3 light modes: flashlight, SOS, and strobe for safer nighttime emergencies. Beat shaky phone mounts like never before with this next-level magnetic car mount gadget. This gadget delivers hands-free convenience with an ultra-strong nano-suction base, keeping your phone secure while driving. With full rotation, built-in magnetic compatibility, and up to 66 pounds of vacuum grip strength, it adapts to your navigation, content creation, and daily driving needs. Lightweight, sleek, and super powerful, this gadget is the perfect upgrade for safer phone access anywhere. Come, let's upgrade your car charging setup with this gadget to enjoy ultra-fast charging on every trip. This smart, fly-lead 200-watt car charger helps make your tasks easier with dual 100-watt PD fast charging, a USB-A port, and simultaneous multi-device charging for phones, tablets, and laptops. What makes it stand out is its built-in coiled cable, allowing you to manage charging neatly and easily. With this charger, your travel workflow becomes more efficient, helping you save both time and energy. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic rotating dash cam, but it's actually a highly capable vehicle security gadget. The moment you put it to use, it begins monitoring your car in full 360-degree view with smart voice control for safer hands-free driving. And that's not even the best part. It packs powerful AI motion detection, where green means normal capture, orange tracks suspicious activity, and red triggers warning alerts with real-time video notifications. Plus, it features GPS locator tracking, lane departure alerts, front car warnings, and pedestrian alerts. This isn't just a dash cam. It's a complete smart driving and parking security system. This isn't just a car seat cover. It's a real air-conditioned cooling system for your car seat. With its sleek body-contoured design, it looks modern and ready for daily driving comfort. It functions as a true liquid cooling seat, a sweat-reducing comfort cushion, and even a quiet, long-drive companion with 3 adjustable cooling modes. Great for hot weather, road trips, and daily commuting, this gadget is practical and easy to use. And yes, it also comes with auto shut-off protection for added convenience. With this seat cooler, you're upgrading every drive with cool, dry comfort. Want real-time driving data right in front of your eyes? So, grab this gadget. It's not just smart, it completes your driving monitoring and safety tasks 5 times faster than before. Its sleek, futuristic design gives it a premium high-tech look, while the transparent reflective HUD display makes it stand out from the crowd. Not only does it look stunning, but its dual GPS and OBD2 performance delivers top-tier accuracy with RPM, fuel usage, and speed tracking, while smart alarms and diagnostics are honestly next level. Are you also worried about your car staying hot during summer drives? Introducing this smart USB car vent fan that makes your driving more comfortable with boosted cold airflow, quiet cooling, and 3 adjustable fan speeds. The special thing about it is its fully rotatable design with colorful ambient lighting, which allows you to direct cool air exactly where you need it easily. This mini car fan completely upgrades your driving comfort, helping you save both time and effort while cooling your vehicle faster. Tired of water spots after washing your car? This car detailing towel makes drying fast and effortless. Designed to deliver scratch-free, streak-free drying for cars, trucks, and more. With its ultra-absorbent 1400 GSM microfiber, you can dry your entire vehicle in one pass, saving time and energy on every wash. The edgeless double-twist pile design allows paint-safe cleaning, while the towel set ensures precise detailing for glass, wheels, and interiors easily. Come, let's upgrade your car workspace with this gadget to enjoy comfortable working anywhere. This smart car laptop mount helps make your tasks easier with height adjustment, dual steering wheel/desktop modes, and a stable foldable design for laptops and tablets. What makes it stand out is its quick switch dual mode feature, allowing you to manage your office work, meetings, or entertainment quickly and easily. With this car workstation stand, your workflow becomes more efficient, helping you save both time and energy. Beat boring car lighting with the car RGB Underglow kit. This advanced gadget creates stunning multicolor effects with chasing LED animations for an unforgettable night drive. Control everything through the app or remote, sync lights to music, and enjoy durable IP67 waterproof aluminum bars built for any weather. Lightweight yet powerful, it's the perfect upgrade for custom exterior lighting and eye-catching style on every ride. Before you go, which gadget shocked you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you love discovering next-level car gadgets, smash that like button and subscribe to Clickify so you never miss the next tech upgrade.